Here is something interesting about the human mind. When we try to hold many tasks at the same time, the brain treats them like an open loops. Each unfinished idea keeps asking for attention. That is why a long task list can feel noisy. The real problem is not the number of tasks. The real problem is that nothing has been chosen yet. Once one task is chosen, the mind relaxes. AI is helpful here because it acts like an outside perspective. It can look at your list and suggest where to begin, which removes the pressure of deciding alone. The simple idea behind this approach is this: instead of solving your whole list, ask AI to help you choose one task. This idea has three clear parts. First, collect a few tasks that are already on your mind. Next, ask AI to look at those tasks and suggest which one should come first. Finally, turn that suggestion into one clear task sentence. This works because it removes the hardest moment in productivity, which is the moment of choosing. Imagine someone who sits down with 6 tasks in their head. They might feel stuck for a long time. But if AI says, start with this one, the path suddenly becomes clear. For example, if your list includes writing a report, answering emails, updating a document, and planning a meeting, AI may suggest focusing on the report first because it requires deeper attention. Once the choice is made, the mind stops bouncing between options. Here is the simple flow we will use. First, gather a few tasks. Next, ask AI which task deserves attention now. Then, write one clear task sentence. That is the entire rhythm. If this idea helps you see your task list in a calmer way, the full step-by-step version continues right from here. In my complete Skillshare lesson, I will walk you slowly through how to use AI productivity for beginners to choose tasks, simplify work, and start moving forward using simple real examples. You can take the full lessons free for a month using my link below. And you'll also get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including productivity, creative thinking, and everyday organizations. Before you go, you're welcome to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clear or helpful is enough, because comments help more beginners discover the video. And if you have any questions, you're always welcome to ask. Thank you sincerely for spending this time here. If this video helped you feel a little clearer, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who might be starting at long task list right now, and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.